The next package which we'll be seeing is about MatPlotLib. Okay, so MatPlotLib is an open source drawing library that supports various drawing types. So especially will be like basically what the ideology is nothing but visualizing of data. So it is also like MatPlotLib is a amazing visualizing library in Python, especially for 2D plots. So we had already seen about numeric Python arrays in the previous video, right? So MatPlotLib is a multi-platform data visualization built on numeric Python arrays itself and designed to work with the kind of SciPy which I had already mentioned before. So this is like the one of the greatest benefits with respect to visualization of any data. So and especially you can visualize the data not only in single dimension but also like 2Ds, 3Ds also. So that is about MatPlotLib, and also with respect to installation, you can just do pip install MatPlotLib for your Mac, sorry, for your Windows host. So again, it varies with respect to other hosts and all like Linux or Mac. So you can just Google around to find out what exactly is the command you need to enter. So I'll just leave it that to you guys. So there is basically various different of plots, and also like if you wanna like it is just not a plotting itself, so it can create actually static animated interactive visualization also in Python. So but we'll be dealing only with static, especially with two-dimensional array. Visualization of three-dimensional is possible, but it is like again you need to have the level of computational thinking to understand how exactly it is working. So advanced level. So MatPlotLib can be used for Python scripts. It can be used in Python, interactive shells, web-based application servers. So that is nothing but our Jupyter notebooks, which we had seen for numeric Python. So NumPy. So we'll be using Jupyter notebooks. Like from now on, we'll just use Jupyter notebooks, and also you can use in various tools like tkinter and all. So again, under MatPlotLib, we have something known as PyPlot. So PyPlot is a MATLAB module which is providing MATLAB function. So MatPlotLib, it is actually MATLAB. And also I was mentioning like MATLAB is another function or like another tools itself where you will be working on some kind of data inputs and transforming data. So all the data manipulation will be in that tool. You can do data manipulation and also visualize. So basically in the previous session also I had discussed all the data manipulation will be taken care by NumPy, and finally the plotting and all will be done by our MatPlotLib module. So this combination is always there whenever you are trying to visualize any data or working on few data sets. And also with using PyPlot, you can generate many plots like scatter plot, line plot, histogram, 3D plots, image, contour, polar. Like there are many charts. So maybe in our examples we'll just see scatter plot, histograms, bar charts. So few of the examples we'll be seeing in the next video to understand it better. And also with respect to plot, we have a lot of parameters also. So for example, you want to give the values, minimum values, maximum values, like x-axis, y-axis, okay, for two-dimensional. So you can give minimum value for maximum value by using the method axis. And also you can mark with different colors itself. You can have type of line style also. If at all you're drawing a line plot and you want it to be dotted, okay, so that can be done. Also width can be varied. You can label x-axis and y-axis using x label and y label. And also similarly you can give legends to understand like basically which graph signifies as which. So those things can be given. So all this can be done by using the PyPlot. So all these are methods in PyPlots. And also extension of the PyPlots concept, we have something known as subplots. So if at all you are interested in creating multiple plots using a single, maybe just one single figure which should have multiple plots, okay, so that's how you can just create multiple PyPlots using a subplot function. So it will be like two of the figures will be drawn in a single subplot itself. So that is about a basic introduction. And again the syntax will be similar like how we had seen objects. So basically here MatPlotLib dot subplots in open parenthesis. You can just give number of columns, number of rows, like you are mentioning different kind of plots, right? And also you can give titles for the subplot. So those are the few namely methods which we will be using. And also like I think that's all for this video. So in the next video, we'll be seeing how exactly we'll be doing, like we'll be importing. And the final thing which I want to mention is you don't need to install MatPlotLib. It will be coming pre-installed if at all you are using Anaconda just like me. And also in most of the Python cases, it will be pre-installed. So you can just visit the directory of site package manager, so site libraries. So in that you will find matplotlib. The one thing which I can guarantee tell is if at all you have numpy installed, then definitely matplotlib will be coming along with it itself. Okay, so anyone will be installing it. Else for some reason it is uninstalled or site packages are not installed, at that scenario you can just install it by using pip install or sudo apt-get with respect to Ubuntu, like Debian based distros. Okay, and also if you have Conda, you can use Conda also. That's all, and we'll in the next video we'll see all the plottings for basic examples.